Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. This MXZ gaming PC features the advanced 3rd Gen Ryzen 3 3100 processor with GTX 1650 graphics that has a great gaming performance among the mid-range graphics cards and 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz gaming memory, which can fund most games of today and satisfy your basic needs. Great computer for gaming. Love the beautiful LEDs. Pre-built gaming computer, easy setup, great tech support. Only thing I didn't like was that I have to use a Wi-Fi adapter, which it comes with, just figured in would be able to connect without one. And if you give them 5 stars they give you $15 with. I was alright with, because I would have give them 5 stars anyway.